How to add a logo on WordPress website. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to add a logo on your WordPress website. So let's get started. First, what you guys have to do is you will open up your WordPress website dashboard and you will get right here. This is my dashboard for my WordPress website. And today I'll show you how we update the logo for our WordPress website. So in order to do that, you will have to open up your website. So I'm gonna click on visit site. Then you have to click on customize. So in customize, you can see we have different options available to customize our website. We have site identity, header, footer, background, typography, buttons, layout, menu, widget, homepage, and more. In order to update or add a logo, you will have to go to site identity and it will take you to the logo section. And you can see the first option we get is logo, and you just have to click on select logo. It will allow you to upload a file from your computer or select a file from your media that you already have. So I do not have my logo uploaded already. I will click on upload file and select a file from my computer. So I have uploaded the logo right here. You can see this is our channel logo as well. Now what we can do is we can customize our logo by editing it, and we can edit the image. We can crop it if we want. We can also add the alt text, a caption, or a description for the image too, but this is just a logo. I'm not gonna do that. Click on select, and again it gives us the option to crop, and I'm gonna just select my full image. You can also skip cropping if you want, and the logo will be updated right here. You can see this is our logo. So this is our logo right here. It's pretty big right now because I wanted to show you guys, but you can change the logo anytime and crop it as well. Now this is our logo right here, and it has been updated. It will be shown on my website. If you want to change the icon for your site, you can also do that. What is the difference between a logo and icon is that icon is shown in the browser tab. For example, this one right here, you can see this is an icon, this one as well. So I'm gonna update the icon too. Just click on select file, and we're gonna select the same file. Perfect. And now you can see the preview here that we have the icon too. So I have updated my logo and my icon on my WordPress website, and this is how you can do that too. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and don't forget to subscribe to Software Made Easy.